one can also take it. The antibacterial properties in the honey does a lot of wonders. It does a lot. Then the vitamin C in the lemon also works. So here is me taking out some water from the ginger, putting it in my cup to add my lemon and honey in it. So here I'm adding my lemon juice into the ginger water and then adding my honey to it. Don't mind my voice, so I'm taking it though. I have cough, I have cold. Rain fell on me today. It was not easy. So I'm just making this instead of me going to the pharmacy to get something. This is nice. This is effective. Everybody can take it.